Good day everyone, this is the last part of the vector series and we will be talking about the angular direction of a vector. Now suppose we have a vector AB. The first step is to draw AB as a position vector. So then the position vector would look like this, and then the angular direction of the vector AB will be the angle formed with the positive x-axis and the position vector, and the angle is measured in an anti-clockwise direction. So theta is the angular direction of the vector AB. Now to calculate this angle, we have 4 units across and 3 units upwards. Here you can see a right angle triangle formed where 3 is opposite of theta and 4 is adjacent to theta. We can use trig ratios to solve this problem. So tan theta is equal to 3 over 4 and theta is equal to 36.9 degrees. So then the angular direction would be 36.9 degrees. Let's look at another example. Suppose I have the vector AB. The first step is to draw the vector as a position vector. And now the angular direction of this vector will be the angle formed with the positive x-axis and the position vector. And we measure it in an anti-clockwise direction. To get this angle, we can calculate angle x and then subtract it from 180 degrees. So again, we have 4 units to the left, 3 units upwards. There's a right angle triangle formed where 3 is opposite x and 4 is adjacent to x. So again, we can use tan x is equal to 3 over 4 where x is also 36.9 degrees. So then the angular direction would be 180 degrees subtract 36.9 degrees, which is equal to 143.1. Let's look at another example. Again, I have a vector AB, and if I want to find the angular direction of this vector, I first need to draw the vector as a position vector. Now remember, the angular direction is the angle formed with the positive x-axis and the position vector, and it is measured in an anti-clockwise direction. So to figure this out, we have 180 degrees, and now we can figure out this angle here, x, to get the angular direction. And again, we go 4 units to the left, 3 units downwards. There's a right angle triangle where 3 is opposite x and 4 is adjacent to x. And again, we can use tan x is equal to 3 over 4, and we get x is equal to 36.9 degrees. So the angular direction would be 180 degrees plus 36.9 degrees, which is 216.9 degrees.